Hello, I am Shil Sachania. So my Python project is based on web browser control using hand. So let's get into code. So first of all, we have imported the necessary libraries, which include CV2, MediaPipe, web browser, and time. CV2 is used for video capturing. MediaPipe is used for hand tracking. Web browser is used for displaying web-based document to user, and time is used for working with time during the program. So first we have accessed the webcam through OpenCV using cv2.video capture. Then we have initialized hand module using mediapipe.solutions.hand. Then we have taken main hand for recognition of only one hand in frame. And we have set the confidence value between 0 to 1 for the detection and the hand landmarks tracked successfully and considered successfully. We have also used the mediapipe.drawingUtils uh, property, so we do not need to use the complete part every time we use the function. This is used for displaying the hand lines and dots. So let's move on. So here we have defined a function hand landmarks and taken an empty list landmark list, and it would check if there are multiple hand landmarks in one frame. And then after there is if condition, in which there is nested for loop, which would check and give enumerate values and draw all the hand connections. And this we have taken center xy for retrieving the value of xy coordinates and place them into vector for processing and then returning the landmark list. Then we have defined the finger indexes here, then taken an empty list fingertips. Then we have created another list tip IDs, which are 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. These are taken as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here are all the tips we have taken. Then coming to next, we have taken an if condition for checking if the thumb is up. So if the if conditions get executed, then it would append to fingertips, or else it will go in the else part. Then we have taken another for loop for checking for another left out fingers, and if that if condition execute successfully, then it would append to fingertips as well, or else it will go in else part and return fingertips. Then coming to while true loop, we have taken check image equal to cap.read for continuous capturing of video, and used the cv2.cvt color property for converting the BGR to RGB with OpenCV function. And this would check if the length of LM list not equal to 0, then this would execute the condition part, and the value of fingers LM list would get stored in finger. uh, this is the main logic behind opening the tabs. If condition, we have taken if and elif considered here. We have taken five fingers, zero, finger 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here we have written 0 as if only the first index finger is up, all the other fingers are down. So if our first index finger is up, then it would open google.com. We have used the web browser.open property, which would help in that, and we have used the buffer of 3 seconds so that it does not continuously process the request. Then we have set another if condition If two fingers are up, first two, then it would open YouTube. Then first three fingers are up, then it would open LinkedIn. If first four fingers are up, then it would open GitHub. And if all the fingers are up, including thumb, then it would open iNeuron. We all have taken a buffer of 3 seconds in every process. We have taken CV to IM show bracket webcam image for showing camera fade in window, and we have taken k equal to cv2 dot wait key 1 for refresh rate of 1 milliseconds every time that refreshes the camera every time for 1 millisecond. After 1 millisecond, then we have used cap dot release for releasing all the software and hardware resources used by the program, and cv2 dot destroy all windows will shut down the camera. That's all. So now let's go to the program execution and show you live demo. You can access this code through the GitHub link given in the description. Always be a learner.